we want to graph y equals 1 over x minus cosine of x. Now remember, you can take this apart since they're combined functions, and I've got y equals 1 over x, and I've also got y equals minus cosine of x. So if I have that, what that's going to tell me is it's going to oscillate around 1 over x. So those are going to be my dashed lines on my graph. So what does that mean? Well, that means that when I draw my picture, I'm going to have a little straighter line. So what does y equals 1 over x look like? Well, it comes out, remember, it's a dashed line. And we do the same thing in this quadrant. So I've got that. Now, how is that going to help me? Well, remember that we just need to do minus cosine of x as it oscillates around 1 over x. Some of you will want to do a table of values, and that's fine, but make sure you realize that since it's 1 over x, you're going to end up coming up with decimal answers. It is definitely a way to do. This is one of those ones that you definitely want to check it on a graphing calculator or on the app that, if you're in my class, we're using on the computer. So when we do that, it's saying that we have minus cosine of x, and it's going to oscillate around 1 over x. So basically what ends up happening is it's going to come down, and maybe I should do this in another color. It's going to come down really close by that 1 over x, and then it's going to come up, it's going to go down, it's going to come up, and then the same thing is going to happen over here, except this time we notice we're really, really close on the inside, so it's going to come up, and it comes up above, and it does the same kind of a thing. Now I know it's not very pretty, but the idea is to give you an overview of what it looks like, so when you do graph it on your graphing calculator or you go into a utility online, then you can get your actual points so that you can see. But remember, if you're in my class, you need to know what it's going to vaguely look like without using a calculator.